I'm receiving a lot of similar questions about how to create subdomain in cPanel. Actually, it's really simple. What you need to do is go to your website provider, log into your website provider, click on cPanel, and here you should find domains. Click on subdomains. By the way, if you are not sure how to locate these cPanel on your provider, you can simply type your website / and type here cPanel. Click on enter and it will redirect you to cPanel. Simply enter your hosting details here, like login name and password, and after that you will see cPanel like this. So okay, as I said before, click on subdomains and simply type domain name what you would like to create. For example, my domain name will be metalpnl.com. Click on create. And as you can see, subdomain created. Now you can click on document root and upload your website files. So if you got, for example, WordPress, you can upload here WordPress you can download WordPress archive from their official website and upload it here, unzip it, and your WordPress installation will be ready. So this is how it works like